after two great speakers, I'm nervous. Because, how old are you? 16, 17, 18? Because 19? Oh, that's tough to impress. The age, I remember how I was like, and I was very tough to impress. And me Zuruat mikame havalu kurisure, I've been very scared. So I thought I will just start with a story on a real, true life story that made me realize aharing miharu mikura masak katuge impact one fine day. Then adive sunnan kanne gehen kantatta, but eduha ki aharing handan nethene duwa henno. There was a 15-year-old girl. She was 9 years old when her 15-year-old girl. She was 9 years old when her stepfather started abusing. Okay, this is serious, and she had the most horrible life that anyone can imagine. And later on, her case came up, and sadly, for being abused, one of the courts, the juvenile court, convicted her and sentenced her for flogging for being raped continuously. It is true. And then that is, sometimes in life not everything is fair, and this poor girl was sadly, unfortunately, and unjustly, she was one of the victims of the system, of fate, and of all things that could go wrong for a girl. And so, Human Rights Commission. So obviously, Emasala Nagaging, we advocated for her and challenged Dasha court to get an immu in a higher court, in the High Court, and we were able to overturn it and have the state recognize her as a victim. And so, as I walked back, me tikuding school avara karivane haring office inge the click building. Then you know where High Court is? Then High Court hema vara kuda distance etta nanida MH mart ina goli teren la hinga fa ambura ofihan aduwa hu den hitan eri etche harin kura kame mi angaru ifote life ka hen dimawa kantatta ge teren hadanna talan undugu kame vejje ahare migaliya then kuda etche migen kiyal den. She was 9. She was alone. Her stepfather tied down her limbs. She was alone. Her stepfather tied down her limbs for years. She was alone. She knew her mother. She was alone. She was left with remnants of her dignity. She was all alone. They never came, those people, to help. She wept alone. They killed her baby. She screamed alone. They locked her, those uniformed people. She slept alone. They told her she committed a sin. She stood alone. I met her. She was alone. I couldn't remove those eyes from my soul. She was alone. I saw those eyes on newspaper headlines. She was alone. She took her pain to court. We took her pain to court for them to dissect. She was alone. They said, "Oh no, don't you dare." She was alone. They said, "Thou shalt not harm her again," and yet she was alone. I wept down the incipit streets of Male that day. She thought she was alone. I wept aloud in my office elevator, for she was no longer alone. Her eyes seemed to be synonymous with something that's mine. Because of those eyes, I can look at my own eyes. My eyes that shine through my children's eyes. Basically, haring bonam benu vechaki mikang mikura maseke makes sense to me because I can be something in my children's eyes. What I do, Human Rights Commission Human Rights Commission ge first member un tereng ek commissioner adi ahareng represent kurang board eka the Association for Prevention of Torture, Geneva based international NGO eka. Then ege iturum ves ahareng me fahuru eriwa de me kura hitun kura masakate ki divihi rajya ke national preventive mechanism e dawlatu ge belum ge dashuga sarkaru ge belum ge dashuga ves me kuwanama e farata ge halat rangalu kurma masake kura mechanism ge mentoring member e gota masake kura mi nizam ge furatama director ka ves hare masake kuren basically Human Rights Commission gam ahareng ge dawru hamaf Minung hinta ko hanne masakate nokura furatama feshi media officer gota Human Rights Commission ga way back in 2008 them masake kuri National Preventive Mechanism ge director ge gotu them miharo commission ge commissioner ge gotu ga miharo masake kurani and how I came here are misnalin kudako umurung egara haruga mi Aring bappa eki dive kurami hai. Then me bappa diving kohe ka baveri kurwage. Then I learned how to dive and a certificate ko hoge. Emme fahu marhala ega me sport dive ega ini shark sport ega dive adam. Then bappa ne doni ga me hen diver una ekko huri hare ekani dive instructor una ekko. Then hitang eri I had the choice. I could have said minung hen spot ege fahu dive kurani. Shark point ebuni ma warab biru gai. Hitang eri nuwane mikame shark point ka nere vene. Hitang arafa then doni ge indefa I decided I was one of those kids Zuru Naj Nadi Faso mi kologati bi hama ekkon kiyawang ekkon ulun kodin miharu sekkon ule kodin I was one of those just like you most of you probably then you know what you call an A student and me sports thing oti awlene then ne minashanya na shane stage ga then the bi mubarak thing oti ko message ga wahaka dakkana noni dole me kiyane ekal then ulene school ge komme kamigas it wasn't part of a plan it wasn't part of hare nang eru hitang eru hare migota kanta kuriya bodwegen hare wala molumi ka vane it wasn't me just went with the flow school ga baveri weng hai chike then baveri wani I was one of those students then just an ordinary student then hare 12 me nimmafa nimmiru I had a scholarship waiting for me, medicine kiyavanda to Malaysia, and I rejected it. The reason is me. Then edu ahareng donya doni kende fahare hitang eri me ahareng Quranic hala kamen nune me shark point ega dive kuran diumaki. Let alone shaka ka dimawa gotang ulumaki biskala kame kurumaki so but I said mikan koffiya edu ahanna feel we me etereng etche buna hai mikan koffiya kuriyan we thanga life ka war ginakanta kurang ahanna keri dane fahareka eru hama edu hitan eri and I went and miyadu es mihin lo maralima hama fene washagin swirl kural hundreds of sharks एक कुड़ा baby shark baby bunny shark yeddo shark vani shark karta miha varwe it was brown and it came this close to me and I thought I was going to cry or something miha karyanga and then when I came up donya mihun dive nimma famburane giro my hands were shaking my feet were cold just like right now and ekamaku eduwahu doni ga indefa mi in iru Me lolo kuda kon fem febe. I was 11 and I thought I swam with the sharks. Ehem again thing yeah eduwahu e feeling ekala bar nimmi duwahu. And I had to go for my visa procedures. Malaysia, I furam again. My younger brother, I have one brother, and he's dyslexic. And our parents made a choice. Me kokkiya kiyevena kahala tanaka move kuran. So we moved to Bangalore right after I finished 10 Armenia. Then 11 and 12 my scholarship and everything was Bangalore ga me hamachiking akame and then eduwa visa kandaka dang oifa I didn't feel like getting up and mama mena vara masala vesti hon and I said I do not want to do this. This is not me. And maybe I can do this kurevi dane kannenge amikanta, but I do not want to do this. Then vara masal jefa tindu gega nukha boda ha kagen oifa. Then my parents gave me a 1-year sabbatical to think about what I wanted to do with my life. Then 1 year I went searching. Then this was my first what I call a soul check. Keep by haring kuram beenum bani. Then eki kanda kuram gos eddu fenidze eru ane me school ge I was in the science stream, so arts related, especially fine arts related evvis kame kollan libumaki vara bodu fale lave kyalan choiring aralan dance kollan libidje munden vara mufawana. So a process ke tereng I figured, oh, maybe I had talent for dance. I thought I did. And then there was a Bangalore dance class. And then I went. I actually did dance class. And my mom was looking at me like, she has lost it. Yagine. Either she's on something or she's not good. So, and I did, and then they let me go. They let me explore. And Gosa, you will not believe what happened. I somehow ended up being an instructor at dance school. It is true. I still tell myself that in front of the mirror, and I did. And then I went on this World Dance Congress in Hong Kong, and I have certificates in instructing and actually teaching all ballroom, Latin American ballroom dances. So just in case I don't have a job, maybe I can go to that, right? Yeah, but no. So I worked really hard at it, and it's really true that my feet bled. It did, because I had to stand like this on heels for hours and hours, and it's serious business, you know. Miharu gabul nukurevonas, I was doing the splits and, you know, those things, and I was, you know, breaking heels, breaking bones, but it was not my thing, and I knew it. So 1.5 years, I took a 1-year sabbatical. I gave this a shot, and Kurane kame anihin aslo dolu har virus nuwe visne. But I did not want to compromise. Aharen beenu menui, aharen hadam beenu nung, aharen kurahinua, aharen ge hitu ge ading, aharen ge ruhu ge ethereng anna kamen nung hen kame kuraka. Yes. I know you're saying, oh no, but for me it came as, oh yeah. Really? Yeah. So I wanted to say this. I know a lot of speakers have come and gone. Mind talks ka aharing මිතනං අන්නන් සේතිවේ කුරින්වෙස් බෙලින් බයි ස්පීකර්ස් ගේ වාහකතෙන් රේග එකම් කොහෙ හුරිහා එම්මෙන් එක්ක බලන් ඉම්මාලි Rega hela and again as you can see I have not slept. So then hanitari kibe by tikudinge umur fura 16 17 18 me umur furaga it's very important the relationships you make the friendships you make and ahariteri aharinga life ke gota life changing kamaka dimavi mihige wahaka bunana me thank God I'm married to him and no the thing is when you go to bed and wake up with someone who is always pushing who is so hardworking that it's so difficult for you to not be your best kommeduku fennani fenna mihaki someone who is striving so hard aharinge filmiyaki artist divihi rajyega art ei career gotan hedumaki waran undagu kame den career ka nun kannenge passion එක හදාගින් kannenge masekken ekurani I see that and hema ahanna waran undagui ekahala mihaka dimawumun to give up and so emme bodu inspiration aka to go back to university to go back to books to go back to the normal life that eruden aharina 20 vejjeru so I went back to school and back to university and I decided I will do bavar vechi so sociology psychology English literature bavar vechi bavar combination hori gane me kohenna gagging I thought maybe at the end of it I will figure myself out and egota I went back to my studies and I just wanted to say this because ekamaki whoever you're with surround yourself with people you can respect so that they raise the standard for you divehin bunanama amille bashagenwa mihunaki tima ihtiram kura mihun kamuga hoda ekala mihun hoda ekala mihun kamuga yagin kurashe erun emihun tikudin diriulenvi femvaru diriulene hayatuge femvaru emihun matikoddene because of that mutual respect dive igeka yagin vejda yes then that's how I went back to my studies and a process ke terega me college goti informal discussion group hedi this is not your standard chenu jamiya and equering ke gulung and ekhala chenu ekawar prestige onnani school ga unna ekhala association tawga president ang hove ku jase wara muhim ku jada prefect it's really important but this was more like an informal discussion where misaka aharun demi hun edu evvela wahaka dakkani miyadu school ga college ga insani hagutaka hilafan evves coming hingi heyye and so that discussion that movement got me into this field of human rights and so malayasa I decided me field unne kame curious kurani then when I came back a lot of people said hama agotan asa kiyawa ge agotan asa I did get married and then huri hambuni then ane masters hadagen do e kujjin hodani asluma avahe mihaka inle huri has a PhD hadani magene mihaka inam wani which is also things people say for your safety and security but I was not one of those people I said aharena misake kala me when you are in love you see ekala butterfly is the you think you see you don't then that's not then you're not in love I'm sorry and instead of those butterflies I saw tera varaka kuding dancing around me it's true and so I knew I wanted a family I knew I wanted kuding I have 2 kids now a girl and a boy and so aharing normal route e machine nunagame ma nunaga sababaki to find what I love to do I went around the world literally to find what I love to do and etige appreciation ga, I will not make a choice that will compromise my soul. So here I was, a working mother, not conforming to varagina mihungi standard of how a girl should be, or what a girl should be doing. And ahana dimavi khame the Human Rights Commission golero varagina ane siyasi eki muusunta hoga varagina pressure annana edduwa haku ni eduwa haki kurige raisul jumhuriya bayan negumattaka Human Rights Commission hazir kuranje hunu duwa he. Then if arata support kura mi hu obviously vara hinghama nujen vara ruliyanane aharenge work was in the line of my duty. Then edu mihaku guli me bara bavaru mihun guli ekam something that rings in my ears mihar was that doesn't leave me ei mihaku gula boni miyadu mafanu madarsa darfulu geka naannane. And then edu egadige vara penikvisi, and by the way I was pregnant also then, vara visibly pregnant. Then edu are itere han geshe furdam itere mafan madarsa she dane darful bala. Then ane then han ikam nikumezya meha safe evs nuwane kamuli office sarahadu furala foti. Then pregnant was vimaya ekkon eha hivvaru dakkakashanu keru. Then for my safety and safety of the baby that I was carrying, I called my husband and I said, "Mihi vegge, kine hadamvi." And he said, "If you leave your job today and if you get scared today, anghenaka viti birugenne vima birugatiye." Because anghenunna firihenunna demala gulafa var nubunane darinna vidda biru nudakkane. Gine ekahala biru dakkani in my short span of work, I have realized anghenaka ives me kulen benu miya family attack kurani where your soul is. So I just want to say to all the girls here, egotang anghen kudzaka viti evves mihaku biru dakkan ulegen biru nugannache ei ehen anghenunna defeat eke. Firihen kudina bunelangoti hivvaru gada anghen kudina support kurache oligen ves anghen kudzaka biru nudakkache, because when they fight back it's not going to be pretty. So what I want to tell you is you must do something, at least one thing that stares back at you when you look into your soul. Something, komme. And then you're good to go. Kievias, work kurias, me mammeka bappeka vias, kommes ekkame life ka miharu mi hisabuga horefa. You are 16, 17, 18 and someone said 19, 20 also here. At every stage in your life, bavashe kommes kame that you can look into. Ekala kame koffa bahattashe, ekala kame koffa hunnashe, that you can look into yourself. And then when your soul stares right back at you, you can meet your soul in the eye. Aharen miharu mikura masakkatum mi adavunu hisabum through searching my soul. Formula kuga mi ane diha aharuge anghen kujje enage mama gadakamun enalava mi hashivu vikumge masakke kuri ahare miharu mi huri mihira position no mi kura masakkatu. I have some sort of say in changing her life. I can tell the government, take her to, I can do something. I can use my pen, I can use my voice, I can use the position that I am miyadu to tell the government to take her to protection. Halif didduga angin kujjaku gang rape wima schoolum kadali angin kujja. It is true. And so eduwahu ahanna bunan libune to the government, that is unfair, put her back in school and give her the treatment and care she deserves. And so, aharin gabul kura gotuga, I wasn't ever hoping that I'd be here, but I am, and I think the reason is I searched for myself. And so I would really plead with you, wherever you go, I'm sure you'll be great people. I just want you to be happy in what you do. Thank you.